Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been delighted to acquire this beautiful Suzuki Vitara 1.4 BoosterJet SZ-T hybrid manual, registered 18th of May 2022, done 1,460 miles, one owner from new. It's brand new. It's in Ice Greyish Blue, which is a highly desirable but rarely available colour in the Suzuki Vitara. It's got cosmic black mirror caps, cosmic black roof section, so it's two-tone for want of a better word. Ice Greyish Blue's a lovely colour. It's got alloy wheels, it's got rear privacy glass. As I say, 1,400 miles. It's in beautiful condition. There we go, hybrid. Wonderful car, this. Huge load area cover, as you'd expect, looking at all the interior trims here, load area cover, etc. It's as new as you'd expect it to be, as new condition. Underneath here you got extra storage, plus of course you got all your pump kit, everything in place, brand new as it should be. As I cannot stress highly enough the condition of this car. It's absolutely beautiful, and this colour is highly desirable in these Suzuki Vitaras, but it's so rare to get hold of a ice greyish blue. That's why we bought this car in, because it's really in great condition. It will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. At TW White & Sons will take any part exchange in against this vehicle. We will be as competitive as any of the online companies, those that wish to buy your car, that advertise on national television. We will be as competitive as they are, whilst offering outstanding levels of customer service. Really nice car, this. Very clean on the interior, black cloth interior, hardly worn as you'd expect it to be. Seat height adjuster on the driver's side, electric windows all round, electric door mirrors as well. Sitting inside the car, the first bank of switches we come to are traction control, fog lamps. You've got lane departure warning system and Suzuki radar brake support. Wonderful car, this. Really well spec'd as well. Look at this. We'll just clarify the mileage. Dip the clutch, turn the key. 1,474 miles there. And you can see here, we'll just turn on the side lights to give us a better view of all the controls. But in front of us, we've got tachometer, rev counter with the temperature gauge at the bottom of that particular gauge. On the right hand side, we've got speedometer with fuel gauge within that. In the center, we've got central display, which you can change. There's using this round button here. So you know, I'm looking at various different statistics. Let's go back to the beginning of this, actually. There we are, blank screen. So first screen we come to is average fuel economy readout. It tells us that the range is 149 miles till we run out of fuel. Confirms the mileage at 1,474. More statistics for MPG. MPH, driving time statistics. Don't forget this has got stop-start technology, which will save a fortune on fuel and is excellent for the environment. Hybrid technology. Clock, motion, torque and power settings, accelerator and brake statistics. You can easily see there you've got the hybrid motor diagram. Blank screen. If I keep my finger on this on this button with the blank screen, it takes you into the vehicle's sub menu. So you can change how the distance in units is read, how the fuel economy is read, the language, fuel reset, how temperature is read, clock setting, door locks, lights, oil change, TPMS, tyre pressure monitoring, traffic sign recognition, which it has, display item default, back button. Over here, stereo controls, which control this excellent Suzuki in-car entertainment system, which I'll come to in a minute. Integrated Bluetooth with voice control. Over here, lane departure warning, radar cruise control, adaptive cruise control, which will, means it will sense vehicles in front of you and slow the vehicles down as appropriate, and you can set up your distances between yourself and the driver in front. that kind of thing. You got here auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent. We've got auto lights with indicators and fog lamps on the inner part of the stalk. So it's really well laid out. Air conditioning, I don't know why somebody's put it on low. It's like Greenland in here, so we should turn this up here to about 22, let's say, and then you hit automatic and it will direct the air and adjust the fan speed, which you can hear now according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. That is brilliant. Some people love that. They just dial in the temperature, hit auto, and it does it all for them. Other people, like myself, prefer to adjust things manually. In order to do that and come off the auto setting, you just turn the fan speed down. That comes off auto, and you can play about with stuff like mode, where you want the air to go. You can play about with the fan speeds as well. You got air conditioning, see that? You got taking air from the outside in or recirculating the air. Demist at the front, heated rear window. Down here somewhere, which you'll be able to see in the distance there, I'll say in the distance right in front of us, is the USB plug-in. Here, 6-speed manual gearbox, very smooth shifting. It's really a delight to drive. Very, very simple. Makes town driving and motorway driving totally effortless. This here, wonderful Suzuki in-car entertainment. Let's just turn down a bit, you know. DAB, it's all touchscreen this, so let's look at this. You got DAB, you got FM, AM, you got 6 presets per waveband. There you go. And if I press this cog button on each of the sources, you'll see it takes you into sub menu, so you can mess about with bass, treble, fader, balance, equalizer presets. You can adjust that depending upon what music you're listening to. Speed dependent volume control, it will adjust the sound to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back button, home screen, navigation. There's no nav card in this, which we can easily get for you. That's not a problem. I'll come back to that later because there's another interesting facet with this vehicle. Integrated Bluetooth, you add a device, very simple. Again, you press the cog button, you can go into the sub menu where it says display incoming text message, use phone ringtone, sort order of how the names and addresses appear. Home screen. This is what I want to talk to you about. Connect your smartphone using a USB lead, which is down there, the plug rather. So you use the USB lead and you'll be able to get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Now the advantage with this is that all your icons that you got on your phone, well, most of them will appear on the screen of this, and within that you'll be able to operate stuff like WhatsApp. You'll be able to operate stuff like Spotify. If you have downloaded Waze navigation, which is an extremely good sat nav download, very simple to operate, integrates with the vehicle perfectly. You can use voice control on it, or you can simply use it as plug in a postcode and away you go. I've found Waze navigation invaluable. It will get you to where you want to go effortlessly. It warns you of potholes on the road, stop vehicles, it will take you the quickest route possible, and it will detect speed cameras. So really good. Not that any of us break speed limit, of course, but it's there as a warning. So again, you see, you press that, it's got Android connection priority, but it will take Apple CarPlay. Home screen here, and if I go into it at home screen, you got the various settings that you can set up, and individual you can make this car, this particular setup, you know, to cater for your individual tastes. Back to home screen. Reverse gear, very simple. Lift the collar and into reverse you go. You've got sorry about the view out the back. You've got a reverse camera, but a wonderful car, beautifully finished, absolutely beautifully finished, loaded with features, but that doesn't come at the expense of the finish. This is a rugged vehicle. It's Japanese built with Japanese technology, and it's really, really well finished. These are proving ever so popular, and in this colour, it's just wonderful. You're going to get the balance of manufacturer's warranty through, see, it was registered 2022, so you'll get it. I did say 12 months earlier, but in fact what you'll be getting is the balance of manufacturer's warranty through till the 18th of May 2025. So this, as far as I'm concerned, is as good as, with 1,400 miles, is as good as buying a new vehicle while saving the money on the new price. There you go, driving statistics all there. But a really great car. This car will come serviced, valeted. It'll undergo a 101 point used car check. Not that it needs it, but we have a duty of care to our customers, and we do these on every used car. We check tyre tread depths, wiper condition, all the vehicle's electrical systems, the brakes, any safety related issues, etc. This car will totally conform to Suzuki approved used car standards. If you want to know more about this beautiful 2022 on a 22 plate Vitara SZ-T manual, finished in the highly prized colour of Ice Greyish Blue Metallic with black metallic roof and mirror caps, done 1,400 miles, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.